Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to quickly take a look at all the Black Friday deals that are currently going on with xTool, WeCreat, and AtomStack all in one video. That way I can give you guys some tips and tricks about which machine that may work best for you if you're deciding between all three brands, and which one I recommend from each brand here. We're also going to talk about some intriguing deals and tips and tricks with their Black Friday sales too. So with all that said, let's go ahead and start out with xTools here. xTool always has great machines in my opinion. You've seen me review a bunch of them. If you come to their website here, this is where your majority of your savings is going to be. The more that you spend, the more that you're going to save during Black Friday. They do this every year during Black Friday, and it's going to be the most discounted price that you can get on their machines. I don't think they ever have a bigger discount other than Black Friday, so keep that in mind. I'm going to show you guys an intriguing deal here in just a moment, but the two top machines that I'm going to recommend here for you guys are the first two that are on the list here. So you have the P2 or P2S. I recommend getting the P2S because it's a little bit easier to clean. And this is going to be mainly for if you're going to be wanting to do any kind of engraving, so especially acrylic. So if you're going to be doing acrylic of any kind, definitely get a CO2 laser. It's going to be better for you. Diode lasers don't really do that good for clear acrylic. If you want a really fast machine, the F1 Ultra is awesome, or the standard F1. They're both great. If you need a cheaper option, the standard F1 is just as good. But the F1 Ultra is just a lot cooler in my opinion. I recently got that and you guys seen me review that. That is awesome. Now a really cool, intriguing deal that I wanted to share with you guys is if you go all the way back up to the top of their site, off of their Black Friday deal here, and go to products, and under the P series they got this bundle here. So you can get the actual bundle deal, so you can get like a P2 and the F1 all together here, and the final price in the cart is going to be under $6,000 with all those discounts. So you can get the best of both worlds all in one. So that's a super cool option. You can also upgrade to like the P2S, but it is going to make it significantly higher. But if you're going to go for this with that standard P2 and the F1 dual package, that's a really great option there. So just keep that in mind. You can do whichever one you want. But I found that pretty intriguing and a good deal currently on xTool's website. With that said, let's go ahead and jump over to WeCreat next. WeCreat, they currently have up to 57% off. And then they're doing a similar feature where you can automatically apply these at checkout here. Now, the things that I'm going to recommend from WeCreat is obviously their largest machine is their 40 watt. So you can get the 40 watt. That one will cut through pretty much anything that you're going to throw at it. And if you want like a wider, like larger area, definitely get the 40 watt machine. You can do the bundle if you want to. You don't have to do the bundle. You can always upgrade later. But a machine that has impressed me quite a bit is the Vista. So if you want a really cheap entry machine and you're just looking into getting into laser engraving, the Vista is currently back at $700. This was their introductory price whenever it was in the super early bird launch. So that's a really good deal in my opinion for an entry machine. This is going to be one of your top entry machines at the cheapest price possible. I would probably add a rotary engraving kit with this because the Vista does a really good job at rotary engraving. That's pretty much it that I wanted to point out on WeCreat's here. So let's jump into AtomStack, our final page here to show you. AtomStack has up to 57% off, and then they do have the new AtomStack Hurricane. This is specifically the one that I wanted to show you guys. They have a bundle kit. You can get the whole machine and all of the accessories currently at $4,200. So that's about the same cost as the P2, and you can get a 55 watt CO2 laser at that cost. Now, in my opinion, this one is a lot harder to use software-wise than the xTool. You will need to get used to that. They have a little bit of a ways, in my opinion, to upgrade their built-in software, but this does work with Lightburn. So if you're used to Lightburn, this will be a great option for you guys. One other thing with this is they did send me a list of all their current deals. I'll post that right here in the center of the screen for you, so you can see all the discounted prices here for you. That way I don't have to scroll through their entire website. You can take a screenshot or pause the video here. But yeah, the main one that I wanted to point out was the AtomStack Hurricane. That's the new CO2 laser. You probably see me review that recently. If you come up here, you can go to that CO2 laser and see for just the machine itself, it's $2,800. So that is probably the most powerful machine you can get at the cheapest cost currently during Black Friday. So I just wanted to point that out as well if you wanted to go that route. But overall, these are all great. My top pick, though, would probably be this dual bundle kit here from xTool. Both of these machines are awesome. I highly recommend it. If you guys have any questions about any machines, let me know down in the comments below. If you could use our affiliate links to purchase any of these, I'd really appreciate it, as it helps the channel and it allows us to test out more machines in the future as well to show you guys. With all that said, we'll catch you guys in the next one.